Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. Today we're going to look at YouTube, how to use YouTube, how to load videos on the YouTube and the display of the YouTube. So YouTube, we can search from the Google, write YouTube, which is the easiest way finding the youtube.com, and you search for it. This is how the YouTube display looks like. It brings videos, music, video games, mixes, game shows, things like you haven't seen before, like when you first get to the YouTube. But personally, I already have an account for the YouTube, which is here. But for you to create an account on YouTube, you first need to get yourself a Google account. So you can see, and from here it's the first item display. You need to get a Google account. Thereafter, you can create for yourself a YouTube channel. This is how the account looks like. So creating for yourself the YouTube channel. These are some of the displays you can get in the settings: the account, the notification, the playback, and the performance downloads. Those are the videos you have downloaded from the YouTube previously. You can get them from there. And there's YouTube privacy. They are connected apps to YouTube, where you can share things through. Then we have billings and payments, then the advanced settings. Also from the YouTube channel, you can create other channels when you have a channel already in the YouTube. That's possible. And in case when somebody subscribes to your channel, or maybe you have subscribed to someone's channel, in case that person uploads anything on the YouTube, you can get notified. Like I have Xavier B has uploaded Crazy Piano 7 Xavier B some 2 hours ago, because I've subscribed to his channel. So I'm able to get anything from him whenever he puts something on the YouTube. Thank you. When we get home to the home page, that's the YouTube display. As I've told you before, the YouTube brings things you might have not seen before. You might have seen videos, mixes. And now to subscribe to YouTube, like I want to subscribe to Xavier B's account, I can search Xavier B on the YouTube. The display has come for Xavier B. These are specifically for Xavier B. It has brought his account here and several others. Down the latest videos he has uploaded 2 hours ago. Now when you want to subscribe to a channel, but unfortunately I've already subscribed to his channel, but let me show you how to subscribe to a channel. Let me first unsubscribe him. There are options here. You get all for notifications, like all notifications you need to get from Xavier B. Anything he has done, you can get it. You go to all, but personalized is things you can get afterwards, after you have subscribed to his channels. Then when you go to none, it's whereby you don't need, like, you don't want anything from him. You get to get notified about any of his content. And the last button is for unsubscribe, because I have subscribed already. If you want to unsubscribe, that's where you do it from. I'm going to show you how to subscribe. That's why I want to first unsubscribe him, and then I'll show you how to do it back. Yeah, from here they're asking me to unsubscribe from Savior B. To cancel backward, if you don't want to do it back because you were doing it mistakenly, you can cancel it and it goes back. But I want to unsubscribe to show you that I like how to subscribe to a channel. From here I'll unsubscribe. That's how it looks like previously before I subscribed to his channel. But right now I'm going to subscribe to his channel. I'll just click on the subscribe button and you can see from here subscription added. Then here I want to get all the notifications from his update, so I'm going to hit this where I've written all. So I have subscribed back to Xavier B and I'll be receiving all the notifications. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, from there I want to briefly talk about the history. History brings up things like your previously watched in the YouTube. Like I've recently clicked on the Xavier B Piano 7, so it displays what you have recently watched. Yeah, and from the search history as well, you can decide to clear all your search history, pause the watch history, and how to manage all your histories, the comments, posts, live chats. We all have them here in the history section. You have more from the YouTube home section. Your videos, the video you have saved previously, and there's a watch later, and liked videos, the videos you have liked previously. Yeah, thank you. This is what I want to show guys right now. More are going to come our way. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you have not hit. Click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload a video, and don't forget to put your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for now.